The sword from the Lady Justice statue has been removed, but the essence which it denoted, which was the punishment, is still present in the Indian judicial system. And in this video, we would be talking about that essence, and that is punishment. Namaste, welcome to High Legal, and in this video, we would be talking about various theories of punishment, why these theories of punishment are important, how they are applied in various situations. So let's get started. So in the first half of this video, we would be talking about the theories, the concept, and in the second half of this video, we will understand how to apply these theories through various examples. According to you, what should be the objective of justice? Whether it should be giving punishment to the offender, whether it should be taking revenge from the offender, whether it should be giving compensation to the victim by the offender, whether it should be reforming the offender. So it could be different in various situations. So for that, we have to understand these theories so that we can apply these theories in various situations. So these theories are important to understand and apply which case is suitable for which punishment. So there are 5 theories of punishment, and number 1 is retributive theory. So what is retributive theory? See, the word tribution means to pay back. And this theory is based on the concept of tit for tat, eye for an eye, or tooth for a tooth. It is also known as a theory of vengeance, and it says that offender should suffer the same pain as the victim has suffered, and then only the victim can get the moral justice. The beliefs behind these theories are that, firstly, personal vengeance, which means that if this theory is not applied, then the victim can go for taking his revenge by himself. He will not trust the judicial system for that. And secondly, lack of trust by the public. That means if this theory is not applied, then the people will not report the crime and they will lose their trust from the system. The second theory is the deterrent theory, and this theory is based on the principle of stopping or deterring the offender. The object of this theory is to stop future crime by setting an example, by creating fear of the punishment in like-minded people. Next theory is the preventive theory, which is also known as the theory of disablement. And in this theory, it focuses on preventing the repetition of crime by making the offender helpless by putting him behind the bars or in prison. Next theory is the compensatory theory. Now, in compensatory theory, it says that the offender is responsible for their crime, so he should compensate. Likewise, the state is also responsible to protect its citizens from crime, and if it was unable to do so, it should also compensate. And the last theory is Reformative Theory, in which India believes. This theory believes on the reformation of the offender. It is based on the principle of hate the crime, not the criminal. So this theory says that there are so many antisocial factors are present because of which crime is committed. If we are able to remove those factors through education, training, and other programs, we can remove the crime. This theory believes on the concept of rehabilitation of the offender and reforming him into a law-abiding citizen. So this theory is followed by India, but in some cases India also follows deterrent theory, and that is why serious punishment like life imprisonment and death penalties are present in the Indian judicial system. Let's consider an example of a young adult Rohan who is convicted of vandalism for spray painting graffiti on a public building. We'll apply this example to different theories of punishment. Deterrent theory. Rohan is fined ₹10,000 and sentenced to community service. The goal is to deter him from committing similar offences in the future, as he will face financial and social consequences. Reformative theory. Rohan is sentenced to counseling and art therapy. The goal is to channel his creativity positively and address any underlying issues that led to his behavior. Retributive theory. Rohan is sentenced to a short jail term. The focus is on punishing him for his wrongdoing, with the punishment fitting the crime. Compensatory theory. Rohan is ordered to pay restitution to the city for the damage caused by his vandalism. The goal is to compensate the community for the harm inflicted. Preventive theory. Rohan's parents are informed and he is required to participate in a mentorship program. The goal is to prevent future offenses by providing guidance and support. I hope now you have understood the concept of theories of punishment, how these theories are important, and how these are applied in various circumstances. So, if you like the content of this channel, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and keep watching.